Alright everyone, welcome to another car. So in front of me it's 2016 Jaguar XE 25 Prestige package. So basically it is black on black. It's got an 18-inch black rims on it and it's all tinted out. The car is absolutely beautiful, sport looking car. And I had to borrow this dealership right there and then take him on a drive to see how it feels while you're driving. It's got a 2 big exhaust, and on the rear looks just a sportier car. So I love the small, the Beijing. This red Beijing is actually absolutely beautiful. I love that. And then the grill, black grill, and then LED headlight. It also looks just beautiful. So anyway, this is going to be POV video. I'm gonna go ahead, get in there and then drive it to see how it feels like to be, looks like to be inside the Jaguar XE. You might be looking to purchase one of them in the future, so it will be good information for you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like that video, please hit the like button and maybe share. And if you have any thoughts on that, comment on the down below. So anyways, now let's go. All right, here we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and take him on the test drive. Okay, put him on a sport. Beautiful exhaust, feels smooth, and it's not as smooth as Lexus or any other smoother car. Definitely sportier. Seats are very comfortable, especially this red stitching is my favorite. I love the pickup. Absolutely beautiful. It's actually not a good idea. my favorite sporty looking Jaguar. Handles pretty good. This is the backup camera. Come on, people, why are we so slow today? All right, hope you guys enjoy this quick short drive, what it feels like to be 2015 or 16 Jaguar XE 25 Prestige model. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button, share, and then what's in your thought, just leave me on a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.